This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Bitwarden. So I'm right here on the downloads page. You can find this at bitwarden.com/download, but I will of course put that link in the video description just below, so you can just come right here and you don't need to search or anything. So right at the top, you first of all have the option for the web browser extension, so you might want that. They have it available on Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, Opera, DuckDuckGo, etc, etc. So there's a ton of different options there. You can download the web browser extension if that's the flavor that you want. If not, you can go for the desktop application. There's also a web application as well. So on desktop, they've got the Mac OS version, they've got a Windows version and a Linux version. So you would choose the one based on the operating system that you are on. I'm on Mac OS, which is the default option right here. And we will go for the standard installer and click right there. And just like that, you see the icon has flown up. I'm on Google Chrome, so that shows their downloads go directly to the downloads folder on my Mac. Depending on your browser, you will then find the installer from there. Hopefully you have found this video on how to download Bitwarden useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.